Assalamualaikum. Welcome to all students of ADBC 9 in today's online session. Today my topic is antiepileptic drugs part 2 or remaining parts of antiepileptic drugs. In this part there are some important informations about antiepileptic drugs. So I start with drug carbamazepine, which is the second important drug. Is a tricyclic compound chemically derived from and closely related to antidepressant drug imipramine. It is one of the most widely used antiepileptic drugs. Pharmacologically and clinically, its actions resembles those of phenytoin. Now the pharmacokinetics of carbamazepine. Absorption. Carbamazepine is slowly but well absorbed after oral administration. Its plasma half-life is about 30 hours when it is given as a single dose. But it is a strong inducer of hepatic enzymes and the plasma half-life shortens to about 15 hours when it is given repeatedly. Some of its metabolites have anti-epileptic properties. And the mechanism of action of carbamazepine. It blocks sodium channel, inhibits discharge of neurotransmitter from presynaptic membrane, potentiates the postsynaptic action of GABA aminobutyric acid. Indications of carbamazepine are partial seizure, psychomotor epilepsy, secondary generalized seizure, trigeminal neuralgia, bipolar depression, neuropathic pain, manic depressive illness, or mania. Adverse effects of carbamazepine are diplopia, ataxia, blurring of vision, dizziness, hyponatremia due to water retention, GIT upset, bone marrow depression, neutropenia, hypersensitivity reaction, drug interactions. It is a powerful inducer of hepatic enzymes and causes metabolism of phenytoin, oral contraceptive pills, warfarin, and steroids. Now, I'm discussing about sodium valproate. It is a chemically unrelated to any other class of antiepileptic drugs. It is effective in many kinds of epilepsy, particularly useful in certain types of infantile epilepsy. It does not induce enzyme extremely metabolized in the liver. Half-life is 13 hours and 90% bound to plasma protein. The indications of sodium valproate are generalized and partial epilepsy, absence seizure, prophylaxis of febrile convulsions, post-traumatic epilepsy, migraine prophylaxis, bipolar disorder. Now, the mechanism of action of sodium valproate, it inhibits GABA transaminase enzyme responsible for the breakdown of GABA, the inhibitory neurotransmitter. So, decreased breakdown of GABA, so the increased concentration of GABA in the brain. The adverse effects of sodium valproate are GIT upset and heartburn, weight gain, teratogenicity, polycystic ovary syndrome, loss of hair, pancreatitis, transient rise in liver enzymes, that is hepatotoxicity, coagulation disorder. Now, the drug is gabapentin. It is an analog of GABA, more lipid soluble and cross the blood-brain barrier. Mechanism of action is by blocking calcium channels, reducing the release of various neurotransmitters and modulators. Does not induce or inhibit hepatic enzymes. Indications of gabapentin are partial seizure, secondary generalized seizure, neuropathic pain, and adverse effects are somnolence, dizziness, unsteadiness, fatigue. Now, the drug is lamotrigine. It is a broad-spectrum anti-epileptic drug. It acts by blocking voltage-dependent sodium channel and stabilizes presynaptic neuronal membrane. Thus reduces the release of excitatory neurotransmitters such as aspartate and glutamate. Indications of lamotrigine are partial seizure, absence seizure, primary and secondary generalized seizure, that is tonic-clonic seizure. Adverse effects of lamotrigine are nausea, dizziness, and ataxia, hypersensitivity reactions, Stevens-Johnson syndrome, toxic epidermal necrolysis. ethosuximide. It is succinimide derivatives, differs from other anti-epileptic drugs in that it blocks a particular type of calcium channel that is active in absence seizure, that is petit mal epilepsy, and it is used especially for this condition. Adverse effects of ethosuximide are GIT upset, CNS effects, allergic reactions, eosinophilia and other blood disorders, lupus erythematosus. Now the drug is topiramate. Its half-life is 21 hours, allows once daily dosing. It is excreted in the urine mainly as unchanged drug. Its mechanism of action is by blocking the voltage-sensitive sodium channels, enhancement of GABA activity, block glutamate receptors weakly. Indications of topiramate are as adjunctive treatment for partial seizures with or without secondary generalization. Adverse effects of topiramate are sedation, weight loss, acute myopia, raised intraocular pressure, teratogenicity. Now, vigabatrin is structurally related to GABA. It acts by irreversibly inhibiting GABA transaminase enzyme so that GABA accumulates. It is not metabolized. It does not induce hepatic enzymes. Indications of vigabatrin are in partial and secondary generalized seizures which are not satisfactorily controlled by other anticonvulsants, infantile spasms as monotherapy. Adverse effects of vigabatrin are visual field constrictions, confusion, psychosis, weight gain. The status epilepticus is a medical emergency. It has 3 stages: early status, established status, and refractory status. In early status, the drugs used are lorazepam, clonazepam, diazepam, IV, and lysergic acid derivatives. In established status, phenytoin and phenobarbital are used. In refractory status, thiopental sodium or propofol or midazolam is used in full ICU support. Doses and administration. Generally, drugs are best given as a single or twice daily dose to increase compliance. In general, drugs should be started with a small dose and increased at 2 weekly or 14 days intervals to the minimum effective dose. The patient's seizures are then monitored and further increases in dose only made if seizures continue. And monitoring of blood concentration. Drug withdrawal. After a period of at least 2 to 3 years free from seizures, withdrawal of anti-epileptic drug therapy can be considered. It is generally recommended that anti-epilepsy drug be withdrawn over a period of 6 months. If a fit occurs during this time, full therapy must be resumed again until the patient has been free from seizures for a further 2 to 3 years. Drugs used in absence seizures are sodium valproate, ethosuximide, lamotrigine, topiramate, clonazepam. Pregnancy can affect seizure disorder, which worsens in about 1/3, improves in about 1/3, unchanged in the remainder. Teratogenic effects of anti-epileptic drugs, that is anticonvulsant embryopathy, comprise of major malformations, that is open cardiac, microcephaly, growth retardation, hypoplasia of the midface and fingers. The frequency of malformations increase in phenytoin alone or phenobarbital alone. Folic acid taken daily prior to conception and through the first trimester reduces teratogenic effects. Carbamazepine is the safest drug during pregnancy. In pregnancy, carbamazepine is the safest drug for use during pregnancy, and also lamotrigine can be used. Phenytoin causes fetal hydantoin syndrome. Anti-epilepsy drug and breastfeeding. Phenytoin and sodium valproate can be used during breastfeeding because they less pass into breast milk. And absolute contraindications during breastfeeding are phenobarbital, primidone, ethosuximide. Epilepsy and OCP. Lamotrigine and sodium valproate can be given as they are not enzyme inducer. Febrile convulsions in children. Diazepam, A suppository is given, and in infantile spasm, corticotropin, IM, prednisone, benzodiazepine, that is clonazepam or nitrazepam, and vigabatrin. This is all about antiepileptic drugs. See you in the next session. So stay safe, stay secured.